Welcome back. In this video, we're making a pumpkin spice crumb cake. For the Streusel, into a bowl, 1 box of pumpkin cake mix, eggs, pour in vegetable oil, and water. Using an electric mixer, beat until smooth, about 2 minutes. Pour into a baking pan, lined with parchment paper and greased with Pam. Bake at 350 degrees for 34 to 38 minutes. Once it has cooled completely, about 15 minutes, break it up into small pieces. Into a new bowl, light brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, pour in melted butter, whisk until combined. In goes pastry flour, then add the cake, place into the refrigerator for 1 hour to dry out. So for the dough, pour in milk, yeast, sugar, 1 egg, all-purpose flour, pastry flour, salt, and pumpkin puree. Mix on low speed or until a rough dough ball forms. Then add butter, a little bit at a time. Increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for 5 to 6 minutes. Into a baking pan it goes, lined with parchment paper and greased with vegetable shortening. Dock your dough, cover, and let rise for 1 hour. Brush your dough with water. This will help the crumbs stick. On goes your Streusel topping. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches around 200 degrees. Cool at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. Dust with powdered sugar. And there we have it, a pumpkin spice crumb cake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.